Morning everybody, we are now at the foot of Mayon Volcano. Again, another bike lane, exclusively only for bikes. No cars, no tricycles, no scooters. All for myself, as you can see. And look, the road is all for myself. Look at that. Nothing. Great day. Once in a while, it's always raining here in Legazpi, but I have a window to bike, maybe an hour or two. All the peace and quiet, all the nature, all the fresh air you have. The best things in life are free, isn't it? Especially your health. Take care of your health. Love yourself on Valentine's month. Look at that. Priceless. Woo! Look at that. Not so hard to climb up. It's only until grade 7 gradient, so it's okay. Going a little bit slow for my video. Okay, bye.